as I once enjoyed. Just keep me employed now. Things I'm looking for. One day I'll be bored of so we care so much that we don't.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Chordnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we are doing Getting Older by Billie Eilish. Alright, this is an amazing song and I'm going to show you how to play it for the beginner player, intermediate, and advanced player. Alright, just make sure your guitar's in standard tuning, put your cap on fret number 3, okay? And we're playing the following chords. So we have a G major, which is 3, 2, open, 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 3. And then we go to D, which is originally open, open, 2, 2, 3, open. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we're using 2, open, open, 2, open, open, right? And we're just going to be using the top 4 strings, which are 6, 5, 4, and 3. Okay, and then we go to E minor, which is open, 2, 2, open, open, open. And then lastly, we have a C, open, 3, 2, open, 1, open, right? So your progression goes like this. You have G, and then you have the D, E minor, back to D, and then you have the C. Okay, that's your verse. So this is the chorus actually. Okay, and then we're going to na 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 na. Alright, so that part is A minor, which is open, open, 2, 2, 1, open. Na na na. Off to D, and then G, D, sorry, G, and then you have F, and then off to C. And F is 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, or you can hold like this, which is 1, open, 3, 2, 1, open. Right. So you have na na, A minor, D, and then G, and then you have F, and then you have C. Alright, so that's that part. Let's play the rest of the song starting from the very beginning. Okay, so the beginning is just what we were playing right now. It's kind of like an intro. And my starting pattern here is down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 down. Okay, so your intro and your verse are the same. You have G to D, E minor, D, and then you have C. And then you get into, which is ironic, so you play the verse twice. This is the pre-chorus, to D, A minor to D, G, D, sorry, which is ironic, A minor, na 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 na, to D, na 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 na, G, and then F, and then we go to C. Alright, that's your pre-chorus. And then you play it again. Okay, but the second time it's just too bad they usually derange. Right, and that's it. We get into I realize we tell a story, everything sounds worse. If you want to play this more accurately, you're gonna have to strum like this, down, 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 because that's the, not really tempo but then beat that she was going for. All right, and then the intermediate player would want to pluck the strings. So for G we're plucking 6 4 3 2. For D we're plucking 6 5 4 3. For E minor 6 5 4 3. For C 5 4 3 2. For A minor 5 4 3 2. For D 4 3 2.
Things I once enjoyed, just keep me employed now.
So the chords are still the same. G, D, E minor.
I'll be bored of
To see it so Okay, so the advanced player wants to, alright, put all those, I don't know what to call them, riffs, licks, whatever. So to do that, you're combining the chords that I've already given you with this, which is 2 2 2 2 2 2 first fret. Right, so you're playing open 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 2. Sorry, open 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 1. Right on your second string. Basically, that's it. So again, and then 3 1 open, and then you go to C, and for C you're playing 5 4 3 only. You're not using that second string. Okay, so you have G, D, E minor, and then you go to C. Alright, so G,
things I want to, things I want to.
it's a little bit difficult when you're singing. Alright, so G,
Things I want to enjoy, now should be employed.
so for C, just remember not to use that second string. I'd forgotten right there. And that's it for the whole song. It's gonna be the same chords throughout.
The things I once enjoyed.
Alright, so it's gonna be the same thing throughout. Do check out the rest of the tutorials from this album. I did them on this channel. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.